is for Panda. Ducky waves and says hello. Panda munches bamboo slow. Big black eyes and fuzzy white. P is for Panda, what a sight. P is for Parrot. Flap, flap, colors bright. Parrot talks from left to right. Hello, hello, loud and clear. P is for Parrot, clap and cheer. P is for Penguin. Waddle, waddle on the ice. Penguin slides, isn't that nice? Ducky laughs and joins the fun. P is for Penguin, everyone. P is for Puppy. Woo, woof, woof, run and play. Puppy jumps all through the day. Ducky throws a bouncing ball. P is for Puppy, loved by all. P is for Peacock. Fan those feathers big and bright. Peacock dances in delight. Ducky claps and spins around. P is for Peacock. Wow, amazing sound! P is for Pony. Click clop, clip clop, soft and small. Pony trots by the garden wall. Ducky rides with happy glee. P is for Pony, come and see. P, we learned today with Ducky lead in the playful